Ladies and gentlemen, salam to everyone. It's truly a honor and an humbling experience to be here today as a chief guest, especially at a place that holds such cherished memories from my teenage years. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the distinguished members of the Harvest Committee, Reverend Barnabas, Auntie Aini, Sunil Frank, Grishma, and all the members in the dais. So, as a teenager, I spent countless hours during my summer vacations being in this neighborhood, exploring, with friends on the bike lanes. So this holds a special part of my heart. When I look back fondly, I remember hanging it around on the church compound, climbing the belfry with Sydney and Deepak, and always being afraid of Sunil when he used to come in his Lambretta, and spending some good hours with Vojana. He had a small shop there. So there are some beautiful memories, and definitely spending time in Sampat's house with music and like there are lots of cherished memories what I had in this place, and I'm really grateful to come back here again as a guest and spend some good time with you all. So after graduating from the College of Architecture, so I felt like there was a divine calling for me, where I became a part of the renovation of the Herrick Church, and it's like telling me, so it's like the divine telling me, okay, you have climbed my belfry and everything, now to give some service to my community here. So it was quite a memorable experience with my friends, and right now my friends Arun, Sampath, so we work together in the same office, and they're my colleagues out there. So before I end my small note, I would like to make a note of Auntie Ivy's passion in collecting funds. I think people should take some inspiration from her, so that the legacy goes on. So with this, I would like to end my small little speech. Thank you one and all, and thank you for inviting me here. Thank you.